Hello everyone, good evening. Today's date is 12 December 2021. I am Amol Wagmode. Today I have discussed topic of why string is immutable in Java. So basically, Java is an object-oriented programming language. As it is, mechanisms and methods are revolving around the object. Uh, One of the basic concepts are mutable and immutable. So, object in Java are either mutable or immutable. That depends on created object. So, basically, objects are immutable means we cannot change the uh, object value. Then discuss about what are the immutable objects. The immutable objects are the objects whose value cannot change after initialization. We cannot change anything once the object are created. uh, Once object is created, for example, primitive objects such as int, long, float, double, legacy classes, wrapper classes, string classes, etc. Immutable means unmodified, unchangeable. Once the object is created, the object value and state cannot be changed. Only get methods is used. Then discuss about how to create immutable class. So create the immutable class using final methods. Final class which is declared as final, so that can't be extended. All field should be private, and that's direct access the fields is blocked. It has no set methods used. All immutable fields should be as final so that they cannot iterate once initialized. Then discuss about difference between mutable and immutable. In mutable, object have changed to the value of state without adding new object. In immutables, the immutable object cannot change value or state without adding the new object. Uh, uh, in uh, in mutable, we have provides methods to change the object. It has do not add in immutable, do not adding the object methods to change the object. It supports mutable supports the getter method as well as setter method. Immutable methods are supports only getters method. It has object is may or may not thread shape, and immutable has objects are thread shape. Mutable objects are string buffer, string builder. Uh, Immutable has legal classes, wrapper classes. Then discuss about why string is immutable in Java, because uh, uh, s- string is an very special class, as in used almost in every Java program. That's why it is a performance and its security. In Java, string use concept as literals. Suppose we have object having many reference variable. In such scenario, if we will change the value of reference variable, it will affect the entire object of all its value. Immutable objects are very simple and there is no need of synchronization. But immutable objects are good building blocks of other objects. So we provide special cares. Most developer makes the string is final object so that it cannot be alter the object alter the object. Uh, then uh, uh, example of immutable are. In this class, we have create final class named employee. It have final data member and parameterized constructors. So this method parameter create final, so it not cannot change the value after creating the object. The class is final, we cannot create subclass. There is a no setter method, we have no option to change the value of instance variable. Thank you.